maturity curve? What does the trajectory look like in your view?
No, I think it's, what we have is an open source hardware and open source platform for thinkers and hackers. It's called OpenXC. We also have on the product side APIs, application programming languages for our sync applications. And really what I see happening is makers being able to create really interesting concepts and take it beyond the concept stage. But as has always been the case, individual makers are faced with diffusion challenges. In other words, how do they find the right market channel? How do they share what they've learned? How do they share what's worked and what hasn't worked? They're happy to do it in us, they're happy to do it in small communities, but they don't have the scale necessarily. And I think that's where firms like Ford can come in, companies like Ford can place interesting platforms that allow for this engagement with the crowds and really to provide channels. Channels that not just communicate a finished product, because that we know how to do really well. And individuals might be able to do that through individual channels. But to be able to share what's worked and what hasn't worked with others, with peers.
Matt, when we were talking earlier, it sounds like that might also be something you're seeing the need for that kind of big company experience